So
It probably has to be at a faster speed.
we've got this
Hey, the faster
bog
the wheels spin,
slash ditch,
Like this, really.
and
like
the
if you think about it, the faster the wheels have
cars, four-wheel drives are struggling to get through it.
Wait, I think we might have to push them. Winch him out.
Got some reinforcements here. So you can see this Pajero stuck.
Look, my analysis is that I think it's stuck. Your analysis is that you stick to your little hybrid. Hey, it's not a hybrid. Not even a hybrid.
Alright, so got Sheikh Bashir shoveling some dirt. It's proper outback.
From other angles. So masculine. So you reckon the other way, Zaid? Yeah. Are you guys wearing jumpers, man? Everyone, half of you guys are wearing jumpers. I said your Pajero is ready. Is it Pajero? It is Pajero.
Pajero.
Alright, check. Bismillah.
Bismillah. Hello, boys.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. No, then we've got to go that way. Let's go that way. Will you jump in, yeah? Honestly, the only reason.
Oh!
I want to record this, honestly. But you know how it's not, it's alright?
Recording.
No, okay, I'm saying about this in my phone. You know it's wrong, you're not meant to be doing it.
Yeah, but on private land you can.
You can? It's good, it's good.
Oh my god, can you imagine that? Actually,
Run!
run!
That's,
They're coming, they're coming!
That's
Oh my god.
There we go.
I haven't seen them. Oh, this guy's on the road. Look at those two bad boys.
Freezing, it's freezing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so cold. Oh.
Hey, it's taking me. Oh man.
Wait, what's fun? Are you like floating in the water?
Like, man, it's 25 people there.
But it's actually deep there.
But it's literally one step, just jump.
Deep. I don't want to get wet again.
He's struggling. He's struggling.
Get out of here. Bro, it's deep over here, man. I don't want to get wet again.
Are you already wet? Doesn't matter.
Bro, I'm looking brave now. Okay, that's all.
No. I'll go do the monkey thing. We had to special monkey. Oh yeah, it was so funny. You know what?
The monkey walk.
Whoa, how deep is that there?
Bro, I'm telling you, it's not shallow. It's actually deep. We're gonna go all the way, just stick it out.
Just walk it.
Hey, but we don't have a car yet.
Maybe we were supposed to bring a car.
No, it wasn't Zaheb. Zaheb's coming soon.
Oh,
I just came to see what you guys are doing.
Oh
But
man.
I'm telling you, like, it's proper freaking deep.
Hey, if you're willing to get, we'll take you in again.
exciting.
That way.
Don't leave him here.
What hurts?
Backside. Oh, you're taking a video? I thought it was a photo. Let me try this one.
You don't have to shift much to the side, yeah?
Oh wait, yeah, now I feel it.
There we go.
That log is really...
Oh, I can't even see, mate.
Oh, shabash.
Bounce us straight to the
Scared
head
me,
there.
scared him, bro.
Batsman, Osman Malik.
Is there like bodies and stuff like that?
Someone's gonna go there. Honestly, someone has to go there.
That's Sufyan stepping in. Oh yeah, beautiful cut shot there. Oh.
I'm not going into the bog though.
Catch! Yeah!
Oh, I can't even see, mate.
Oi! Bouncer straight to the head there. We got the star batsman, Usman Malik.
Is there any like bodies and stuff like that?
Oi!
Someone's gonna go there. Honestly, someone has to go there.
It's called cricket in the outback, boys.
Hey, what's the speed? We let ball as fast as we can.
You, yes.
On!
Yeah, that's true. It's you, man.
One hand.
I can reach the top of the world. I can touch the highest star. All I need is to believe and have Allah in my heart. The key to Jannah is Alhamdulillah, and we should always be thanking Allah. And if we work hard, Allah will respond. I know the answers are never too far. If you want to win, here's the recipe. The simple three is work to grow and succeed. And happiness is what you feel. The key to achieve this is follow your dreams. I've got a plan to reach my
But we'll hang it out top there. We'll hang it up. Where are you going to hang it? I'm going to hang stuff. I've got my clothes I need to hang. Oh, Julu, man. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, thanks for that.
It's amazing, man.
Oh, look at that.
We saw a lot of them, man.
Yeah?
But I'm getting it down. Yeah. Bring it up. Where? No, we're going to lift it up. I thought it's like a pulley system.
Nothing can stop me if I believe. I'll make it there with present hope. Allah's there for you and me. The key to Jannah is Alhamdulillah, and we should always be thanking Allah. And if we work hard,
So this wrist move and this move.
Man, he gets you tired, but
We've got Furqan teaching us how to skip.
really good.
It's good for cars. Like, I'm lazy, so
Cardio is good. It's good.
good for lazy people.
A bit of impact. What do you look at me?
People jog for like 10 k's a day, bro.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, that's crazy. Look at that.
No, I don't want. Huh? Okay.
Put me a little bit. That's way too much.
Then my hair, man.
But he doesn't get that, does he? Yeah, he gets £1 million, and on top of the £100 million, they just got Are you serious?
Yeah.
What would you even do that, man?
And not $1 million, $1 million
Pounds.
euros or pounds. I don't know which one.
Bro, that is insane.
What would you do that with that kind of money?
So what you do is let it come up to the border. Yeah, let it come up to the border. Alright, then then what you do, adding water. Alright. Yeah, adding water, and then once the water is boiling, once the whole thing is like then add in your onions.
Yep.
And then put it down to medium
For about 2 hours.
for about 2 hours.
Okay. Okay. So, and the water we're going to do is just fill it up to the...
Yeah, so you'll have, look, some of this water will burn off now.
Yeah.
Alright, and then you'll have that. But then I would recommend every 15 minutes. It's not anywhere near as much as needed.
Alright. Chef, just keep watching, yeah? Because I'm adding it.
Why is it coming out?
No, your response is very good.
Nadeem, I want a burger on the way. Shaki, bye.
Might as well. Yeah, okay, okay.
There you say, bring that
kangaroo korma.
kangaroo.
In my
Honestly.
Very nice, chef.
Yeah.
kangaroo korma coming up.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys, I'm coming. So nice and warm as well.
That's the
Come on, guys.
that's the
Eat up.
how can I say?
You're doing the I got nothing to do with
I'll
this.
see you after a week, inshallah. Jazakallah. See you guys in a week.
I mean.
May Allah make it easy for you.
I mean.
Oh my God. All right.
I know the answers are never too far. If you want to win, here's the recipe. The simple three is work to grow and succeed. And happiness is what you feel. The key to achieve this is follow your dreams.
Wow. That's a weird looking tank.
على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله